Imagine continents connected in a matter of minutes. Imagine the comfort of the metro at the speed of a plane. Imagine a scalable and zero-emissions global means of transportation. This dream has a name, and it's closer than you can possibly imagine.
Introducing a new era in cargo transportation. Efficient and autonomous Hyperloop integrated ports, capable of airplane speeds at freight costs. Moving containers hundreds of kilometers in minutes instead of hours with zero emissions. Drastically reducing port congestion, pollution, and footprint. Reclaiming valuable waterfront property and moving ports inland. Resistant to all weather conditions. Transporting 2,800 containers a day on a single line system. A fully connected, sustainable system for balanced logistics. Revolutionizing cross-continental commerce. Welcome to a new era of sustainability, speed, and reliability. Welcome to the Hyperport.
On demand. Today it's novel, tomorrow it will be expected. The global growth of e-commerce is driving a consumer behaviour shift where goods and services are delivered rapidly, immediately. DP World sees the need for an advanced new network to support this future. Throughout history, cargo has always been the catalyst for transport revolutions. Today, DP World has partnered with Virgin Hyperloop One to realise the next leap in transport and make Hyperloop a reality. Pushing the boundaries of innovation, having the courage to do something different. The new cutting-edge linear electric motor propels the pod magnetically through the interportal. A series of pumps remove nearly all the air inside the tube to allow for an energy-efficient, quiet and incredibly fast journey. Our future ports will integrate Hyperloop technology for synchronized, seamless, intelligent movement of cargo. On demand, direct, autonomous. Hyperloop can deliver exceptional service for high-priority on-demand goods at the cost of trucking and the speed of flight. Sustainable operations powered by renewable energy. Utilising network capacity for both freight and passengers. Goods are seamlessly transferred to autonomous vehicles while passengers are taken to the heart of the city. Rapid, effortless deliveries and the freedom from having to plan too far ahead. Efficient supply chains that unlock greater capacity for growth. It's what the world demands. Introducing DP World Cargo Speed.
To reduce 40,000 trucks from roads and improve the environment, Yara has teamed up with technical and maritime leaders to deliver an innovative transportation solution that will positively impact traffic, reduce CO2 emissions, and ultimately transform the maritime industry. Introducing Yara Birkeland, the world's first zero-emission, fully electric, autonomous cargo feeder. Created from the need to solve climate, road safety and traffic congestion challenges.
Welcome to the future. I'm here to tell you about the past, about changes made that were necessary to save the planet. The exploitation of natural resources forced us to develop new methods in renewable energy and marine transportation. We experienced major changes in many areas of shipping. Vessels began to be navigated by remote control, enabling a small crew to handle an entire convoy from one flybridge. Maintenance was now completed directly on the sea with the assistance of artificial intelligence. Marine transportation was divided between operators, owners, and charterers, better known as forwarding connectors. It was called the Uberification of marine transport. Goods were manufactured and refined on the sea during transportation, thus creating a whole new sustainable value chain. Ship owners were no longer required to buy ships, they leased them. And all of those vessels were equipped with state-of-the-art batteries able to recharge during their sail across the oceans. No emissions, no off times, no capital expenses anymore. And finally, shipping went underwater. Goods were transported by large submerged vessels with low energy consumption, and on the rare occasion when they needed to refill, They did it at the clean energy hubs in the ocean. Now we are sailing without engines, using only natural energy sources and direct drive conversion. We are now refueled, and my passengers are excited to continue the journey. Enjoy your journey to the future. Wärtsilä connects the dots to the future